Everybody, it is Thursday, March 21st, our last day of the week here right before spring break. And just want to give the weekly update here with some stuff that's going on our short week here. So we did not have any PBIS rewards, lunches, or anything today with the short week and just meeting schedules and stuff. However, one thing that we did get to do this week, which is really, really cool, we got to take our big reward trip. Winners from 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. Each grade got to go on their own on Monday and Wednesday. Got to spend a couple hours bowling at Midway Lane. So thank you to folks over at Midway for accommodating us and letting us have our own time. One of the best parts, one of our students asked, "How did you know no one else was going to be here?" I said, "Well, we kind of made that happen." And then they were pretty impressed. "How did you do that?" So, I guess we're fortunate enough. I say it pays to know people, I guess. But no, kids did an awesome job. It was a lot of fun. That was something that was repeated over and over and over again. And again, that was thanks to our fundraiser that we did at the beginning of the year. So thank you to everybody that helped out with that. It's exactly the sort of thing that we were hoping to be able to do. And kids were super excited. We had a lot of kids go. Almost between 40 and 50% from each grade, if not more. A couple of grades are over 50%, which is great. So can't wait to do some more stuff like that. It's great to see, great for morale, and great for a little incentive for people to maybe work for something like that. So also then, another thing to celebrate, 5th grade, we like to celebrate their March Students of the Month. So we had Mr. Noah D., Mr. Ryder L., Miss London R., and Mr. Drake S. So congratulations to those guys. Nice job. Your teachers obviously appreciate what you're doing, so keep it up. And then after break, there are a couple of things. So middle school track starts up that first day back from break. So April 1st, it's no fools. We're starting then. So be ready. We meet in Mrs. Knox's room, as coaches have let you know. Be ready to go no matter what the weather is, because track is an all-weather sport. So if it's cold, make sure you dress warm because you'll be out there. And hopefully the weather will start cooperating with us a little bit more than it did this week. So we're excited to get our middle school track season started. And then also coming up after break is the fact that you can still order yearbooks. So yearbooks can still be ordered through April 12th. So if you have questions of those, you can contact the office. You can contact Mrs. Benson, and we'll get you all taken care of. And with that being said, we hope everybody has a great break. Remember, no school tomorrow. So I know some people are getting out early. They were headed out tonight or early tomorrow. So I hope everybody that's traveling has a great and safe a bit of fun while you're out there. And then for those of us that are sticking around here, hopefully, like we've mentioned before, hopefully the weather will cooperate with us. We're not just under snow or cold or anything like that. So, and after when we come back, again, we'll be in April. So it's April and May, and holy cow, it'll be getting close to the end of the school year. So we'll be hitting our testing period there when we come back. So everybody get some good rest, and we can't wait to see you all after break. Take care.